Hi, scientists. Look what I brought home. I have all your bread experiment. Let's take a look and see how things are doing. All right. This is one of the very first breads, Tuesday, commercial bread. We didn't touch this one. Still looks great. How about commercial bread? Didn't touch it. Still looks good. Second week. Ooh, this one started a week later, commercial bread. Still good, but look at the homemade bread. This one says homemade bread, didn't touch it. And look at all the stuff growing on it. On the crust, we've got white, we've got greenish black, gray-green. Keep that in mind. There's something going on with commercial bread. All right, let's see some of these. These are clean ones. So these kids put rubbing alcohol in their hands in commercial bread. Well, there's a little bit of something right there. So they must have missed a spot. Hand sanitizer. Nope, not seeing anything. Rubbing alcohol and hand sanitizer on commercial bread. Looks pretty good. And look, it's even still a little bit squishy. It's not even that stale. It's been 3 weeks, almost 4. Hand sanitizer before they touch their bread. Not seeing anything. Hand sanitizer on homemade bread. We got something going on here. Let's look at the back. Not much on the back, but we do have some mold on that one. All right, hand sanitizer on and then commercial bread. Hand sanitizer, then rinse their hands in water. Commercial bread, no change, still squishy. Okay, this one said just hand sanitizer, commercial bread. Still looking clean. Hand sanitizer, and then touch the bread. Nope, still clean there. All right, here's try some other things. These guys used soap and water on their hands. Still looks good, still squishy. These guys only use water to wash their hands. No change. These only use water. Nope. These people use soap and water. Still looks good. Uh-oh. These are the homemade breads. These guys use just soap and water on homemade bread. Oh, take a look. This is disgusting. Got several kinds of mold, and we have white mold. Let's flip it over. Oh, it's just coated. Yuck. Just water. Okay, how about this one? Soap and water. Still pretty gross. I'm not seeing that white mold though. Oh, but look at the back. Oh, that's just gross. Oh, that's pretty awful. Yuck. Okay, those two are homemade bread. Here's commercial bread, just water. Just wash your hands in water. Soap and water, those two, I'm not seeing a change, so start thinking about what must be in the commercial bread. Okay, here come some gross ones. Commercial bread, touch the ground, then the bread. Ooh boy. Got some gray-green and some whitish. Let's turn it over. Got stuff in the cracks. Oh, this is just furry looking. Yuck. Okay, these guys rubbed theirs on the floor. Different color of mold. Pretty disgusting. Ooh, I'm not eating that one. All right, dirty hands, commercial bread. And look at that. Something in the bread said, nope, we're not growing anything. These people put their glue sticks on the bread. Glue sticks, it should be pretty gross, nothing growing. Okay, here's a homemade one. Seeing an orangish one on this one. And some gray and some green. These guys, oh, this is yucky. This is the only one with the orange. These are people who coughed on their hands, then rubbed the homemade bread. Ugh. Ooh, what's this one? Bottom of the shoes. Oh my gosh, you guys. Homemade bread. And then the bottom of the shoes. Ooh, boy. Now I see why some families insist that they take their shoes off. It isn't about the mud. Look, there's a yellow in there and black and green and fuzzy. Wow, got to look at that one with a microscope. Here's some white. Ooh, that's terrible. All right, Bottom of the shoe and then the floor with the commercial bread. Man, that commercial bread's tough stuff. These guys, doorknob and hands and the tables and the chairs. Not seeing any difference. Holy cow. Bread on the table and then dirty shirts. Nope, the bread wins. How about coffee on their hands? Ooh, but this is commercial bread, not the homemade bread. Wow. All right, dirty hands. And then rub their bread. Nope, nothing in there. These guys, hands, they rubbed it on their shoes, they spit on it, and did the playground and the table. Man, that should be just disgusting. And the bread looks pretty good. Oh, yuck. All right, dirty hands and then rub the bread. Nope, no change. Door handles should be disgusting. Nope, no change. Well, let's see what else we have. Wash your hands with hydrogen peroxide. Commercial bread, no change. Hand sanitizer, commercial bread. No change, still squishy. How about these guys? Hydrogen peroxide. Nope. Hydrogen peroxide on their hands. Nope. All right, moving down, hydrogen peroxide. Nope. Same hydrogen peroxide. How about alcohol? Yeah, it looks perfectly good. Alcohol. Nope, no rubbing alcohol killed the germs. Rubbing alcohol. Looks pretty good. Ooh, under their shirts. Disgusting. But their bread still looks great. Hydrogen peroxide. Nope. What was this one? What did they do? Hang on. Rubbing alcohol and hydrogen peroxide. Nope, looks good. Ooh, they rubbed it all over the stools. We sit on those all the time. No change to the bread. What are you thinking about this commercial bread, people? This is 4 weeks old, this bread is. All right, rubbing alcohol. Oh, there's one little tiny bit of yellow something. And hydrogen peroxide. Bread still looks amazing. Okay, we got a little bit more to go. These guys. Keypad, then in the pencil box, then dirty hands. Nope. Dirty hands, commercial bread. Nope. Rubbing alcohol and spit. Wow, that should be gross. Nope, nothing but air bubbles. Now this is homemade bread. Dirty hands. Oh, this is gross. Let's look at this. We have yellowish mold. We have gray-green mold. We have lots of fuzzies that are even sticking to the bag. Wow. Ooh, lots of that yellow on this side. That's pretty gross. What was this again? Dirty hands. Homemade bread with dirty hands. We have black spots, white fuzzy mold. Fuzzy mold. Oh, that's just icky stuff. Okay, commercial bread. This is trash can and shoes. Oh, look, we got a little bit going on from trash cans and shoes. But not much. This is a commercial bread, and it's working really hard to not grow things. Oh, a little bit of yellow, a little bit of white, and a little bit of gray-green. All right, dirty hands, commercial bread. Nope. Furniture in the floor. That should be really nasty. And I'm not seeing anything. Dirty hands, commercial bread. Nope. All right, let's take a look. Here's a commercial bread. Oh, they ran that all through the pencil box and then all over my shelves in the cubbies. How many colors do you see going on in there? What does the back look like? Oh, that's gross. Yellow, gray, green. Wow, that's nasty. All right. Dirty hands, just the bread. Looks fine, still squishy. Dirty structures, just anything they could find. Nope, looking clean so far. Well, there's a little bit of white mold. All right. Oh, this one's awful. They blew on their hands and then used homemade bread. Oh, yuck. White mold, black mold, gray, green, fuzzy mold. Some spot thing going on there. Oh, yuck. All right. Commercial bread, dirty hands? Nope. Share Museum. Oh, I thought that one would be atrocious. And it's looking good. Oh, there's a tiny bit right there. All right. They rubbed it all over their whole body and dirty hands. Nope. Doorknobs and rail. This is my homemade bread, though. Wow, big difference between all the homemade bread. Ooh, look at all that different kinds of stuff off the doorknobs. Look at this. Ooh, grungy. White and gray and green and black and yellow. Whew. All right. Dirty hands on commercial bread. 4 weeks old, nothing going on. Dirty hands. Nope. Dirty hands and face. Nope. Under the shirt. Nope. Nothing going on. Wow, our commercial bread's tough, isn't it? All right, all over their faces. Nope. Inside shoes. This is homemade bread now, mind you. We've got white fuzz up there. We got green. We got gray. Black. Wow, you guys have nasty stuff in your shoes. Wow, look how disgusting. Wow. All right, that's gross. Dirty hands. Then touch the bread. Nothing going on. Oh, boy. Now, what happened here? Commercial bread. They use hydrogen peroxide on their hands, and I still see at least 3 kinds of stuff. There's this yellowy orange, there's gray green, and a little bit of white. What's on the back? Oh my goodness, yellow and orange. They used hydrogen peroxide and touched their bread, and look how much stuff's going on. So why is that one different? All right, rubbing alcohol, commercial bread. Nope. What's on here? Hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer, nothing growing. I guess that's a good thing. Rubbing alcohol, nothing growing. Looks good. Hand sanitizer, nothing growing. One more homemade bread. Ooh. Wow, what happened here? They used soap and water and alcohol and peroxide and hand cleaner, and look how much is growing on there. Oh man, that's just awful. So, we looked at all these. The ones that are the grossest mostly are the homemade bread, and you can see them in there, scattered through there. The ones that seem the cleanest are commercial bread and something to clean your hands. Although some of them had gross stuff and still didn't grow anything. So I want your thoughts. So in your Google Classroom, you're going to write to me, what do you think's going on with some of these? And turn in your answer.